Good afternoon, YouTubers. You can see I'm doing a roast chicken today, and I'm gonna stuff it. You can see I cut up the season, carrot, pepper, garlic, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, onion. So lots of things, and you have thyme, okay? And I'm gonna marinate it, stuff it with this. This is the way I do my chicken. And I'm gonna put Maggi, you know, the Jamaican season inside of it. Maggi, the Maggi season. You can see how I do it. And see the chicken, big chicken. I'm gonna stuff it now. So this is the way I do